Thank you for tuning in our channel. This is Cher again. It's a little bit windy. It's cold. There is a sunshine, but it's really cold. Look at my daughter and her daddy. We're here at the store, but it's cold outside. Super.
Huh?
Yeah, okay. Look at this wood. It's a lot. This is a door. A door, ano, darling? It's a door. Look at this. It's a lot. Abigail, where are you going? Hey. Say hi. Hi. This is a huge store for the hardware. Look at this huge store for the hardware. Super huge. Look at this. It's really huge. Hardware. Abigail? Abigail? Look at this. Super big store. It's cold. Even though there's a sunshine, it's really cold. Look at this. See that? It's really cold. Really cold. We're outside, but you know, there's a sunshine. It's help. The sunshine is help, but it's really cold. Look at the clouds. Very nice. So now we're going home. We're here checking our trees because we have a very super wind yesterday. So we're here. We'll show you, okay? The last night, yesterday I mean, is a really super wind because after the hurricane in Kentucky. So, look at those trees. It fell down, darling?
Not all of it.
Not all of it, it's just half of it, okay? So, here we are. So, the trees, some of the trees is falling because of the wind. So, we are at the bottom of the hill around our property. So, I remember my husband go down in the right, darling?
What happened?
What happened? What happened to you when you fall down there?
Oh, I had to call the 911.
Call the 911, right?
Not good, not good.
Not good. So, here we go. I'm just... So, my husband and my daughter's in the truck going back home. Now, I'm just walk by myself. So, now, we're driving back in the house. So, I changed my mind to walk because it's far. It's really far. So look at this, it's really far. So I decide to ride in the car.
That's my darling, my Falco.
So yeah.
Oh, moly.
So we're here now, that near in our house, because we go down there. So now we're here around the house. Look at this. That's our kubo-kubo. Yan ang kubo namin dito. That's our kubo-kubo. Okay? Oh. So yan ang kubo namin dito.
That's a gago. Rick Guapo.
So nandito na kami sa bahay namin. So nandito na kami sa bahay. Dumating na kami. Pero ang lamig-lamig kahit may init. Oh my goodness sake. Oh. Kahit mainit. Look at this. It's windy. Because, alam mo yung kahit mainit siya, malamig kasi dahil sa hangin. Yun. Pero ang tinan mo, yung kalangitan, it's a blue. Ang ganda-ganda, right? It's beautiful.
Very nice.
Very nice. But it's very cold. Diba? Look at Abigail. She don't care about the cold weather. She doesn't care. Right, Abigail? Say hi. Hi. Daddy's eating, oh. Hi everyone, thank you for tuning our channel. Please don't forget to click or subscribe the bell button so that you are always updated. Thank you and God bless everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye.